Hi guys, Eden here from Try Ko Lang Recipes, and for today gagawa ako ng Creamy Mango Bango dessert. Now this dessert is originally from Nestle Cream, so I'll be putting down the full recipes and instructions on the description below. You can also check that out, and you may also use the brand of your choice for all of the ingredients. So it doesn't necessarily na kailangan i-follow or piliin din ang mga brand na ginamit ko dito. Okay? So, I'll be using red nata de coco, white kaong, 250 ml all-purpose cream, and just 1/3 cup of condensed milk. So, I'll be not using the whole can, just 1/3 cup of condensed milk, and 2 ripe mangoes. Now, before we start, guys, again, I would like to invite you to please subscribe to my channel, Try Ko Lang Recipes, for more Filipino dessert and merienda. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video as well to your friends and family. Okay, so without further ado, let's start making this dessert.